નમસ્કાર બાળ દોસ્તો, ટ્રિગોનોમેટ્રીમાં આપનું સ્વાગત છે. ધેટ ઇઝ અ ટ્રાયેંગલ right angle ABC. B is the 90 degree, theta C is the theta, therefore A is equal to 90 minus theta. That is the hypotenuse. 90 upon that is hypotenuse, that is base. ગુજરાતીમાં પાસેની બાજુ અને that is opposite side, સામેની બાજુ, that is perpendicular AB. BC base, AC hypotenuse અને અથવા તો કર્ણ. sin C ની વેલ્યુ તો સામે ભાગ્યા પાસે AB by AC. cos C પાસે ભાગ્યા કર્ણ તો BC by AC. or tan C is equal to AB by BC. AB by BC. cot inverse BC by AB. sin C નું inverse cosec, therefore AC by AB. AC by AB અને sec is equal to AC by BC. AC by BC. Her value AC is equal to 10, BC is equal to 8 and AB is equal to 6. Therefore AB is equal to 6 by 10, BC is equal to 8 by 10. Therefore AB by BC is equal to 6 by 8. 8 by 6. Cosec inverse 10 by 6. 10 by 6 and that is sec is equal to 10 by 8 is the value of side. Thank you.